Okay, right. So Uday or Ashok, what is the operating system in our laptop? Surendra Reddy, you are new to this class, right? Right, Surendra? Surendra Reddy, can you hear me? Ashok, yours is like Windows 10. Yeah, that's okay. But internet connection, Wi-Fi connection or the mobile network? Because download it takes mobile network, that is the problem. Okay. Actually, thing is, while doing class on mobile network, if you're going for download, what happens, it is going to create troubles to us. That is the problem. Okay, now? Oh, you already installed? Let us check it once. Um, have you connected from your laptop or mobile, Ashok? Oh, okay, okay. Ashok, it seems you connected from your mobile, right? Please connect from laptop. We will check and we will do post installation checks. Uday, what about you? Have you done with installation, Uday? No, right? Okay. What is our operating system, Uday? Windows 10 or Windows 7? Windows 10, very good. Your network, mobile network or Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi, no? Let's do one thing. Ashok, you connect from your laptop. Meanwhile, I'll start download SQL in Uday's laptop. Uday, please start, share your screen, Uday. Right. Ashok, sorry, Uday, go to Google website, please. Premant, we are doing installation in Ashok's laptop. Sorry, in Uday's laptop. Follow
Okay.
same.
Okay.
Type it as SQL Server 2019 download. Ashok, I will check. Please wait. And Surendra, are you looking for DBA training or development training? Surendra, can you hear me, Surendra? I cannot hear you, Surendra. Please message me because your voice is not coming. Yes, open that website, Uday. SQL Server downloads website. Yeah, very good. Good. Scroll down little, please. Under developer, you can see download button. Click on that. Yeah. Looking for DBA training. Very good. Right, Surendra. Actually, yesterday we have done with the introduction part. Today we are doing installation, Surendra. Please follow this installation. I'll talk to you at the ending of the training. Okay. Okay, na? Open that file. File is already downloaded. Uday. Open file. SQL 2019. Yeah, SSEI. Yes. Open file. Click on open file. Start opening. If any yes button there, click on yes button. It will come, wait. And all of you, Ashok, Premant, Surendra and Uday, from Monday onwards, can we start it at 9 o'clock India time, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m.? Is it works for you? 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. works for you? One second. One second. Let me check with everybody individually. Ashok, Premant, it is okay for you 9 to 10 morning India time, right, Premant? Message me please again. Premant. Yes, okay, good, good, good. Uday, what about you? 9 to 10 morning, okay for you, works for you, right? Very good. Ashok, 9 to 10 morning. Surendra, 9 to 10 morning from Monday. Thank you. Because 8 o'clock, I have some office call from Monday. Akil is my from me only. I mean, my circle only. So Akil, obviously it works for you, right, Akil? Right. Good, good, good. So Monday onwards, same GoToMeeting link, but we will start at 9 o'clock India time in the morning, not 8 o'clock. Right. Great. So now, Uday, there is some, right. Open that icon, please. Click on that. Yeah. Actually, download not completed. Now downloads is going to start. Let us see. Wait. Click on custom. Click on install button. It is going to start download now. Generally, download takes some time. Okay, based upon speed of the internet, kind of. Generally, download takes some time. Okay, na? So we are downloading SQL Server. After finishing SQL Server download, we have to download Management Studio separately again. Actually, what happens, we are going for SQL Server database administration. Along with administration, if you know something about SQL Server development and something about SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, that is ETL tool of Microsoft Corporation, because we can add some points to the resume. See, so that your resume will be shortlisted, then we can get the calls. That's why my plan is, along with the DBA, I want to discuss some scenarios, right? Some scenarios from SQL developer. In the same way, something from SSIS, some tasks, so that we can add some points to the resume. Your primary role is DBA only, but we can add. So we have knowledge in SSIS, we have knowledge in development SQL. These are the things we know. So if you're adding some points to the resume, what I meant, it will be shortlisted. Generally, companies will look for that type of people only. Your DBA, you're from DBA environment, but you know something, right? From development and integration services, because this is kind of combined environment, like maximum projects SSIS will be there. Maximum project, every project DBA is there, means developer will be there, right? So you are a DBA, but you are not going to work with the development environment. But sometimes you have to coordinate with the development environment, right? That's why you know little bit about the development scenarios. Then it will help you when you are going to coordinate with the development team, right? That's why I want to discuss something from development and the database administration in the same way, SSIS. Okay. So now in the beginning we are going to install complete SQL Server in the same way Management Studio. Later, we'll go for SQL Server Data Tools installation. After 1 week classes like that, we will go for SQL Server Data Tools. That is different software. Actually, your target is always SQL Server and Management Studio only. Okay, now you're always going to work with SQL Server and Management Studio only. But sometimes we're going to work with that also, that I want to cover. So now next step, wait. It is downloading. I think speed is good. Internet speed is good. Almost half of the software download completed. So if speed is not good, then download takes a lot of time. No doubt. So let's finish download. It takes around 5 minutes. Let's wait for 5 minutes, please. Okay. 1 second, please. Go to installation, Uday. 1 second. Uday, go to installation left side. Click on first one right side. First one right side. Yeah. Okay. Go to next step, please. No. He paid. Go to next step, please. Premant, after finishing download, you downloaded some file, right? Click on open that file. Then you can see S button. Click on S button. Same thing you can do that. Okay, now, right? Okay, so let's go to next step, please. Here select first two database engine services SQL replication. These are required for SQL DBA. I told you I'm going to explain SSI. Scroll down, please. Little scroll down. You can see integration services. Actual integration services is not required for DBA, but personally, I want to go for integration services also. Right. Select integration services also. Scale out master, scale out worker. Right. Go to next step, please. So this is really important for us. Here instance name, we have to provide name. With that name only your server will be created. Make it Uday 1. Uday, make it Uday 1. Right, go to next step, please. Yeah. So here right side top you can see startup type manual. Open drop down and make it automatic. Right side top. Right side Uday, yeah, there only. Automatic. So disabled there, disabled also make it automatic. Go to next step, please. Here we have to select mixed mode. In the middle of the page, select mixed mode and provide password. Better provide password Tiger, you can remember easily. You can remember easily. Click on add current user. Add current user. Wait. Go to next step, please. Right, next. Yeah, no need to do anything. Next step. Next. Now click on install button. Right, now let's go to backside window. We will download Management Studio. In this window, click on install SQL Server Management Tools. There only, yeah. Everybody follow same thing. Otherwise, this class is recording. You can follow recording and you can finish installation. Okay, na? Right, Uday, here you can see download SQL Server Management Studio. Click on that. There only, yeah. Okay. I think download started. Please check it. But let's complete SQL installation. After finishing SQL installation only, we can go for Management Studio installation. Okay, na?
Hi, able to hear me?
Yeah, Surendra, now I can hear you.
Okay, so previously we downloaded one software. This is SSMS is again different software.
Yeah, because see, in the beginning we have to download SQL Server. After that, we have to go for Management Studio. SQL Server is your platform, your database server.
Not an
Management
software. So everything in a
Management Studio is the tool we are going to work, right? So by using Management Studio only, we can interact with SQL Server. We can perform operations in SQL Server, right, Surendra? Okay.
Okay, I started the download. For me, it's like Windows 8.1. It's showing that your operating system is not
Point
supported.
means don't go for SQL Server 2019. Better to
Okay,
go for SQL Server 2014. So I'll
okay,
do one thing. Give you link here. In GoToMeeting, I'm typing my email ID. Please send test email to this email ID, Surendra.
okay,
Yeah, vadde.suresh@hotmail.com. That is my mail ID. Please check it. Okay. Right.
okay.
Premant, what about your installation? Have you started, Premant? Yes, it's working, right? Okay, good, good, good. Yeah. Ashok, share your screen, Ashok. Uday, I'll come back to you, your mission again. Don't worry. Ashok, share screen, please. Ashok, I made you presenter. Click on share screen button, please. Once installation completed, then we can do operations here. Installation is very important because you don't have software installed in our laptop. How can you go for practice? If I'm going to explain concepts theoretically, practically, you're getting material, you're getting recording, you're getting interview questions. What is the use? Basis practice. Without practice, how can you? Somebody made me presenter here. Not me, Ashok. I'm going to make you presenter again. You can see show my screen or share screen. Click on that so that I can see your screen. Okay, na? DBA, what happens, practical knowledge is required. Ashok left from the meeting totally. If you don't have practical knowledge, you cannot work in DB environment. Surendra, did you send email to me? Please check because I will share software download link for SQL Server 2014. Okay. All of you, our next class is on Monday morning 9 o'clock. Same GoToMeeting link, not 8 o'clock. One second, Ashok. Ashok, You connected 2 times. Okay, I think you connected from laptop and mobile. I made you presenter. Now share screen, please, from your laptop. Right. So now, have you installed Management Studio, Ashok? If you install Management Studios, type it as Management Studio in search button. Yes, it is there. Open it, please. Username, password. Raymond, I'll come to your machine. Wait, 2 minutes, Raymond. Wait. Raymond, 2 minutes, please. Uday, is it completed, Uday? SQL installation completed, please check. Running, huh? Okay, no problem. Surendra, I received your email. I'm going to send you SQL Server 2014 download link. Please wait.
Okay.
Surendra, please check your email. Course content I shared, right? No. I'll share. Don't worry. I will send, please. I'll send it. Don't worry. So what happened? Premant disconnected from the meeting. What happened?
The course content we receive on emails. Email, Suresh.
Yeah. I will email you course content. Okay. Right. Open. Click on connect button, Ashok. Installation successfully completed, but let us see. Let's open. Ashok. Yeah, it's done, Ashok. Perfect. Okay. Right. I'm going back to Uday's laptop. Uday, share your screen, please. Oh, still it is going on. Premant not connected again. What happened? Ashok, next class on Monday morning, 9 o'clock. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no class. Monday morning, 9 o'clock, same go to meeting link. Surendra, you download that software and let me know. I think we have around 15 more minutes for today. Uday, after finishing this, you can see close button, click on close, then go to downloads and run that management studio. Directly open and install management studio. Nothing is there. Just open, install. After finishing management studio installation, you can see restart button, click on restart. Okay, na? Right, Uday? So, Akhil, we are going to start with concepts from Monday, Akhil, morning 9 o'clock.
Which one to download, Suresh? Is it CAB or like ISO?
Yeah, Surendra.
So it is showing like please select your experience Azure CAB ISO when trying to download
Go for ISO.
ISO.
ISO means we'll download image file directly. We can open it. Windows Explorer, no problem. I'm sorry. Surendra, if we cannot finish in your installation today, we will do in the beginning of Monday's class, 9 o'clock morning, Monday. Actually, my plan was I wanted to finish installations today only, but no problem. Yes, it is successfully completed. Click on close button, Uday. Right, go to downloads folder and you can see Management Studio. Yes, open it. Yes, open. Click on yes button. Okay. Not this window, you will get different window SSMS. Close this window. No. Close all windows today. Close all. Better go to downloads folder. Open downloads folder. Run that setup file directly. not this one. Uday, you do one thing. Once restart laptop, then go to downloads folder, run that setup. Okay, na? That's better, I think. Close all windows, restart laptop, then try it, Uday. Okay. Yes, it is there. Wait. Click on install. Now it will be completed. After finishing installation, you can see restart, click on restart. Okay, na? Right then, all of you. See you Monday morning, 9 o'clock. Right then. Bye.